Hi everybody and welcome back to German Auto House. Another week, another projects. We already finished our big project Lamborghini Aventador engine rebuild, and that car going back to owners. And this is our new project for a couple days. This is beautiful 2019 BMW M3 CS. A lot of cool details like a forged carbons, and the guy equipped with the new stuff. But it's a big but happens on this car, and probably everybody know what is this. This is crank hub issue, right? That car is being tuned, and this is all. This what I think everybody know. This is factory crank hub and sprocket. Now it's a friction welded after they spin. This is solution from I believe the company calling insane, right? Insane performance. We already installed in our vlog number 1 exactly same crank hub on BMW M2. M3 is fine, no any problem, no any issue. And now I would like to show you how to do this step by step. What need to assemble it and what parts you need for this crank hub solution. And let's start to turn down this car.
Hey guys, welcome back to German Auto House. Well, I guess welcome back to me. I was gone for a vacation, so I was relaxing back home in motherland, and today officially back, have to come to work because my boss told me if you don't come to work you get fired. So now I'm here and we're back at it again.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
We're back at it again, working on some cars.
Yesterday we start work on this BMW, and you see the beautiful car with all parts in. Now this is what we remove. First, whole radiator cassette with the AC condenser, with the transmission cooler. It's over there. Let me show you. Yeah, this is all cassette right here. This is the shroud, fan shroud, and this is like, I don't know how it's called.
Fan shroud?
No, I think this is duct. It's air duct calling, right?
Could be.
Water cooler, valve cover, pulley, reservoir, charge pipe, and air cooler, radiator too. What we got here? We have a really good access to this pulley. This is our way, how we do and what we do. You can see the many YouTube video how it's people do hub replacement on M4, M3, doesn't matter what car. This is how we do. For us, it's really easy. Remove the radiator cassette and front bumper, headlight, and charge system, recharge system, like a fluid. Anyway, you need to fill the fluid, right? Anyway, you need to replace engine oil. We can do this one time, but we have a really good access to drill it hole inside the crankshaft. And many people, they remove the oil pan. Actually, we don't need to do this because we have a good access to drilling, and we don't need to move the subframe, engine cradle, and then take that car to alignment shop. Right here, everything right here.
Everything is accessible.
Yeah, but guys, this is our way. You can do any way and whatever.
Basically, you can do whatever works for you, whatever is easier for you, whatever you find more comfortable.
Yeah, this is our recommendation. Okay, now we need the setup timing. I will show you how to set up timing. This is timing tools, and last time I showed you, this is solid crank hub from Insane company. This is timing tools. First, this is not timing tools. This is lock tools, and this is lock flywheel, because if you remember, guys, this is really big torque on this crane hub, something around 600 newtons. This is what I remember. We have a special big wrench. Like this is mostly we use for the single nut for cars, but
Porsche, Lambos.
Lambos. This is lock tools, and this is timing tools. But timing tools we use for N54 and 55 engine, exactly same. And we need just timing tools for lock camshaft and trigger, and for adjust the trigger. Done. This is what we need, and of course I will show you the that big torque range and how you need a torque. But
later
like
on, no dancing.
We have a new bolt also, and I show you small trick how to drill the crankshaft, of course.
Hey guys, just some updates. Nothing fancy, just some timing tool installation.
Yeah, we start with the timing tools. Here's the pin.
I don't know if we'll be able to see.
For sure it's possible to see. See?
No.
Let me move that mirror a little bit. Yeah, here's the pin. Right here you can see in the mirror. It's like a G.
We're finally installing the installation tool. We got one piece in here.
Yeah, this is for
flywheel
holding, because this is high torque, and pin.
There's a
this
pin.
How it looks pin.
Like that.
And another pin, exactly same than that one. We have so many different ones. It's already here.
Yeah, we can't. It's too close over there. We can't show you, but it's over there.
It's over there, and now
it looks.
It's already set. I mean, in a top dead center, it's already set and locked.
No movement.
Okay, and let's move down the car and check how is bad that timing.
No, if it jumped or anything. Time to check the timing. Sorry, we have no music. Our internet went bye-bye.
Guys, okay, this is cam holder, and this is trigger. But I think it's visually it's possible to see it's timing off, because here is the trigger holder. See? Come on. See how is that two pins? You see, it's possible to see.
It was, yeah.
It's a two pins.
As you can see right there, the little nipple.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. This is. It's have to see how it's. I think one tooth is out for sure.
Yeah. See how uneven there.
It's have to be like this, and we need an open bolt, because I'm sure. Yeah, we can't stop now. Yeah. See.
Timing is off.
Yeah, it have to be flat.
Yeah, so this whole piece will go in there and hold everything in place. Right now it doesn't.
Okay, now what we want to do now, we just take the wrench and start opening the bolts. Start opening two bolts, just like hold the one crank for avoid to the destroy it, and then second one, and then we set up both of them for top dead center. Yeah, it's how it looks. It's for sure it's turned. Well, this is our one more special tools. You can see we already opened the bolt. It's really crazy torque over there, and this is cool. This is tools we custom made. This is just like thick stick and that adapter plate. I think enough in that crank holder tools, but you know, when you have two tools, it's way better and easier. Okay, bolt is opened. Now I want to remove actuator, chain. I need remove the chain and release that fuel pump and oil pump tensioner, and then we start drill the crankshaft. Yeah, and already we set up alignment is off, like a couple tooth off, and we already set up. Okay, what we do first, we open bolt. Of course we open bolt when we set up timing. we remove 2 cam adjuster, and please mark because intake and exhaust is a different one. We remove trigger and adjuster. Then we remove 2 bolts from chain guide, 1 more pin over there, and this is for pump pin over there. And when we start, after we remove these 2 pin, and of course, sorry, I forgot about the 2 timing solenoid. Of course, it's need to remove it too. Then when you little bit move on the front, when you little bit move the rail guide, use the screwdriver in this area like this. Let me show you. Screwdriver to push and gently push the tensioner back and use that pin. Now we can remove the tensioner from this area. It's a 2 bolt Torx. Then remove it, and then we need to remove, this is plastic, and we need to remove this sprocket. It's visually, you see how it's spin because the friction washer is already little bit damaged. Okay, let's start remove that sprocket and start drilling crankshaft. Okay, this plastic is like holder. We don't need that holder anymore because we install a single solid hub, and that holder just a help to hold the sprocket, that one. And when you remove sprocket, make sure it's have a 2 friction washer. This is one, and this is another one from another side. You not drop down because it's little bit dangerous if this start is chain catch that washer. You don't know what happens. Make sure. Now we need to clean and surface that area and start drilling crankshaft. I show you one trick how we do, and I show you all procedure for this. What is that inside performance kit included? Okay, it's many time I'll show you this solid hub, original hub bolt, and this is carbon drill bit. It's a really strong. This is centric hub, and this is centric hub bolt. Okay, they ask for 6 mm to drill hole. That pin it's 4.5 mm, but they ask for 6 mm drilling. Let's start drilling and let's see. Okay, for drilling, what we do? Just to take the cup, cut it, then mark it and cut the top again. Then we install this piece of paper cup inside, and now we avoid to any metal piece movement inside. When we start drilling, all of them going up, but of course make sure you not move any pieces inside. We still have an engine oil over there, and we drain the engine and fill new one after we did this. And of course you have to be really slow on a first speed and really careful. Spend more time and do it slow. Okay, let's start. and slowly. It's not fast process. Then I wanna find a used rock, and when they start metal going out, just to clean it few more time, and you're good. A lot of metal piece. And that cap collect all metal, if you can see the collect all metal here. Okay, let's measure what we got from it. We take the caliper and first we check and that hole what we don't take, and check measurement. Okay, this is 19 millimeter, 19 and a little bit, like 19 and a half. Okay, what about this one? 21 and 4.5 millimeter left. Okay. Check again. Oh, now it's 23. Original one. And a 19 and 2. Check again. 23. 23, it's mean 2 millimeter left. Lubricate. Check again. $25. $25, it's mean we are done. Now make sure again. $19. $19 25. Done. Let's start drill another one and I back to you guys really soon. Okay, second hole pin is done and here is our all drilling stuff. And now we remove this water cup and done. And now just gently let me take another hand and gently remove this. Okay, just help with the second hand. Yeah, and now everything here I wanna dump it. Inside looks really clean. We remove that that small hub, centric hub for pins, and then start installation. Start procedure back. Let's say back. Okay, after drilling and cleaning, this is how it looks. 2 6mm drilling hole for pin, new seal already there, and now we start installation, everything back together. First, what I wanna do, I wanna remove this plastic rail. It's easy to install back, but we have a we can little bit squeeze the chain because we need that chain go a little bit deep inside, and this is much easier for installation. After we install the crank hub, easier to click that guide back. Okay, let's start. Okay, here's the chain. Probably I would like to use one clip if I found. I would like to use one holder. Yeah, probably this one, because I wanna avoid to drop chain inside. Just like I need not deeper than this one. Just easy to pick it up from the bottom. Okay, the new hub. I would like to little bit lubricate before installation. This is assembly loop. This is for seal. Okay. Now, what we need to do first? We need to catch this chain, and then we need to catch that chain. I wanna move this chain right here and this chain right there. It's a big challenge. Where is my pick? Okay. Now I'm going from the top. Now it's possible to see inside the pin. We adjust the chain and pin. Now it's already in. I would like to little bit start tie the bolt to sit in proper position, and here we go. And you can see how is pin going slowly inside. Okay, now it looks like yeah, it's locked. This is still original bolt. I wanna remove that bolt after I assemble it all timing, and then we take the big
wrench and torque
and torque it. Yeah. Okay, let's assemble. Okay, not forgot about this banjo. Now it's, oh boy, click in, and then we release, go to this side. Let me show you how to release the tensioner for the second chain. Just little bit help first time. Done. Now we can start moving that rail guide, and we need a catch. We need a catch to installation to the bolts. This is one, and that one, the second one. This is rail pins. Oops. Good morning. And this is second one. Go in there, and now we give you all torque specification for these two pins and 4 covers. Okay.
Here we go. Uh-oh.
Oopsie.
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 Oopsie no.
Always happens. Oopsie.
Oopsie no good.
Oopsie no good. Just the socket follow down. And torque specification for rail guide bolt to cylinder head, 50 Newton meters. Let's do torque. Oops. Open and make sure it's exactly same. Nice. Okay. The lower one, 20 Newton meters. Here we go. Done. Now time to install the two cam. Okay, the cam actuator. You can call whatever you want. BMW said this is Vanus, but for us this is not Vanus. This is VTEC system.
VTEC, yeah.
VTEC. Oh, you know VTEC.
VTEC.
Okay. Torque spec for Vanus bolt, 20 and 180 degree. For this bolt, 100 newtons, and then 270 degree. It's supposed to be close to 600 newtons. One time I think I tried to torque. It's like 601. Oh. Okay.
You're not that strong, my friend.
Yeah, and we need installed pretension. Yeah, pretension for timing chain. Then we start do the torque specs, and then we install the timing chain tensioner, 55 newtons. Okay, I remove the old big boy and installed brand new original bolt, but always use this stuff. APR, this is not advertisement, but this is really good quality stuff, and for high torque, for avoid crazy stretching or some crazy stuff, just like need lubricate little bit corners and thread right here, and start install everything back. Timing is already set. This is timing, this is ignition tools, this is cam holder, pin is already there, and we install our custom tools for holding the big torque. We have lock tools on the flywheel side, but we want to hold pulley too. Ilya start do the oil change and service for beautiful Mercedes C63S, and one car came to us today for tune, E63S 2019. It's really powerful Mercedes, 4-liter twin turbos. After stage 2, they are beast. But we are back to our challenge. S63S. It's already stage 2 plus tune from us. I think guys, you see that car on our vlogs, and that car, it's already a year with that tune, a lot of miles, and without any problem. And also we have for this BMW we have a KW adjustable suspension variant 3 kit, track and performance. Yeah.
Here we go.
Here we go. We need a 270 degree, right? Of course, we don't have like this big angle torque range. We just do from
90.
science from
Yeah.
school. This is 90 degree, and we need to reach how many times?
270. So what?
90 plus 90, 180 plus 90, 270.
Yep.
3 times. Okay, let's go. And I hope when we reach 500 newtons, I think we are good. 1, 2. I think we good.
Possibly. You never know.
No, it's enough, because first things we have a keyed hub with the 2 pins. For sure, it's like we can spin. I think 500 is enough and fair, because too much. Start assembling back everything. Well, final procedure before valve cover. Pre-torque 20 newtons. First, second, then 180 degree. Oops. Okay, now it's a 55 Newton meter. We install the timing chain tensioner, then remove all timing tools, 1, 2.
And the pin in the back.
Yes, it's a pin on the back on the flywheel and crank lock too. We are good. Turn 2 times. Just what I wanna do, I wanna mark the front one. I wanna mark the front hub because now it's a TED up center. This is timing mark, and then spin 2 times to 360 and install these cam tools again. If everything nice and smooth, we are done. But always it's need a turn engine and check.
Double check your work.
Double check you correct install timing or not, and then start assembling procedure. Of course, I wanna film that. Okay, crankshaft, lock tools are already removed. Just I wanna mark the crankshaft. Remove cam lock tools. Wanna leave over there, and I wanna turn 2 times by 360 degrees to check how is timing set. Okay. Okay, here is my mark, and here's the tools this side. Here we go. Nice. Start assemble it back. All stuff together, valve cover, radiator, and then fire up.
Hey guys, just an update. Putting things back together. Customer also wanted these new charge pipes, so even though the stickers are falling off, but it is what it is. Those are installed, putting in the top cooler in right now. Intake's already done, we just routed it back on, so that's taken care of. We're going to start it, let you hear how it sounds. Not yet, we're still putting things together, and after all this is done, we are moving towards this. Customer also wants BBS rims and install this whole coilover kit, front, back, everything. Even though he does have KW, but these are on factory struts, so we're putting different ones on. So doing that all over again, and yeah, once we start it up, we'll let you hear it, see how everything is. Should be all the same, but yeah, anyways. Boom. What's up guys, we started the car up, she runs fine, bled the system for coolant, all is good. So yeah, everything's plugged in now, intake, we got the charge pipes, everything's fine. We just still got to put the facial on. We're gonna do the suspension, so we're not gonna put everything on. We're gonna take care of that first, the coilovers all the way around. So we're gonna finish that, and then we'll put everything together. Currently, we're using, since this is a new refrigerant, it's the or 1234YF. We're waiting for our machine, so we unfortunately have to do it this way. But this machine that we have is for 134. Unfortunately, it doesn't work with this. So we're waiting for our machine. Once that comes in, this will be a lot easier and a lot simpler, because this is, I mean, it is what it is.
Everybody, yeah.
We're just using it.
This is 1234 machine, but this is like old school style. We don't have choice for now. Just awaiting our new machine and use this one.
And then we have an interesting vehicle that came in.
It's beautiful.
This is his favorite.
Yeah, this is my favorite Ferrari F430. It's beautiful. It's a piece of art. For me, it's most beautiful Ferrari ever built. That rear end, beautiful. Color,
Not for everybody.
yellow, but not Ferrari, but Ferrari. Let's start the check. I would like to show you how to read the clutch. We pick Ferrari hypercar. No, joke. No Bugatti, just regular. And of course we work with the Leonardo diagnostic tools. It's the best tools in the market for supercar. Okay, 430. Gasoline. Of course. Semi-automatic gearbox. Just a pick front one. If we not do some right, the Leonardo correct us. Yes. The start system start recognize, and when we go into parameters, we pick. See, it's not right. We pick 301 and this correct 231. We go in back, diagnostic deactivate, going back, exiting from ECU, again, pick 231, and now we are right. Okay, parameters. This is most important parameters for Ferrari owner. Done, 70% used. The clutch is almost
Almost gone.
Yeah, I think another 10%, because normally the 100% of the clutch. Zero, it's a brand new. It's have a really fast grinding and surface period. And sometimes people worry why it's like after you swap the clutch and after 1,000 miles this is swapped to like 25 or 30% usage, because surface. And after surface you have it's a big and long period, like a working period, and then another 20%, it's like almost they start slipping, blah blah blah, and bam.
So clutch will have to be done on this car.
70% is clutch were already used. 70%. I mean, it's coming soon. Expensive job, and I think this is for any Ferrari, Maserati owner, Lamborghini. The clutch replacement is like little bit boo-boo.
But she is beautiful.
She is really beautiful.
Hey guys, so we continue working on this car. It's almost done. We're pretty much almost done. AC is filled, coolant's filled, oil of course is done. All the charge pipes are in. Headlights, everything's connected. We still have to do the fender well insides over here and here. We did install the front suspension, so front coilovers. And this car came with a dampening system from the factory. And since we don't have it, they do have a spoof, basically a decoder, so that you won't have a light on the dash telling you that go check it out. So that's all done. Front end is pretty much done. These are the factory ones. We still have to do the rears. Once we install the rears, we're gonna put the BBSs on and do adjustment. See how low, how high. We'll call the customer, see what he wants, what he wants to do, and be done with this one. We're almost done, and then we're starting on this one. This is a Alpina 850, and it's got the Swarovski shifter. Very cool. and we're just doing a little custom exhaust work.
We finished it few blocks ago. The car been there. We work on beautiful diffuser from one famous Russian company. We almost done wiring for, this is not third, this is fourth stop light.
Yeah, that's the fourth.
Yeah, we need to finish it because we done wiring to the this inside the fender, and now we need to finish wiring to connect that light. And the customer asked us about Resonator Delete. We just put a straight pipe over there. We welded here.
He doesn't want X pipes or H pipe. No. He wants a straight pipe.
This is everything by customer wishes. Yeah.
And mounting these tips was a nightmare.
You remember we show how to mount, because we have a custom elbow. Before it's a flat, now it's custom carbon tips.
So this is a beauty. We're working on this one, and I mean, inside is amazing. I mean, it's new. There's nothing you can say again about it besides that. Wow. It's got lasers, headlights, so sexy. Anyways, when we're done with this one, we'll let you hear it. But after we're done, we're gonna do that one. We're gonna do the end, the rear, put it all together, start it up, let you hear it. Have a good day.
Well, Resonator is already deleted. It's two stainless steel 275-inch pipes, and we don't do X pipe. The customer asked about just a straight without any pressure tube, just a straight pipe. And this guy we just delete. And the sound, I like that sound. It's like more like muscle sound, like, you know, German muscle. It's not bad, not bad. Of course, wanna take to ride and check how is that sound on a speed, how it feel like barbell, on how deep that sound. Okay, guys. Project is almost done. Beautiful M3 CS. By engine, everything finished. We run, we warm up, check everything, accelerate, no problem, no trouble code, everything working fine. We bleed whole system. Coolant, it's a two coolant, one intercooler jacket and another one from engine. Engine oil, new coilovers. This is old KW Justice springs, and now it's a fully adjustable coilovers with a damping system emulator and beautiful forged BBS. It looks similar than original. I mean, this design is similar than original, but this is forged BBS. And track tires, he probably would like to change, but looks good, looks really good. And it's, I think this level it's enough for now, because it's have a this is brand new spring and drop by itself after a month little bit. I want to keep for now, and then after 1 month we would like to readjust it. Yeah, CS goodies. Okay, tomorrow, what we wanna do tomorrow? Here is the Supreme Peppa Pig. Supreme Peppa Pig came to and it came to stage 2. We check the number tomorrow. How powerful that 2019 E63S. Okay, I'm glad we finished that beautiful M3. Well, tune is done, car is already unmounted from the dyno. And this is really impressive number. 7, like, let me focus. It's a 708 wheel horse and 792 wheel torque. Guys, it's a stage 2 with a cutless downpipe, and this is the beast. It's unbelievable number, but this is new car, 2019. It's a crazy engine, 4 liter. It's a super strong, and wow, I would like to say wow. I believe maybe we do some more on this car, but we want to return to customer, and he need enjoy this car for sure for a couple more months, and have to handle that power. It's 700 horsepower, wheel horsepower. Okay.